takribani zinakuwa shilingi bilioni 10. Hizi pesa zimeenda wapi?
Na Bunge la Jumuiya ya Afrika Mashariki limeidhinisha hoja ya Afrika Mashariki ya kuunga mkono mgombea mmoja kwa nafasi ya mwenyekiti wa Tume ya Muungano wa Bara Afrika. Hoja hiyo iliyopendekezwa na mbunge Suleiman Shabala ilipata uungwaji mkono wakimpendekeza kinara wa Azimio Raila Odinga kupeperusha bendera hiyo. Baadhi ya wabunge hata hivyo wametaka mwafaka kati ya mataifa husika ili kushawishi Somalia ambayo imependekeza mgombea kujiondoa na kuunga mkono Odinga. Somalia ilijiunga na Jumuiya ya Afrika Mashariki mwaka huu na kuwa mwanachama wa 8.
So we need to, Mr. Speaker, join hands with our heads of state and support their position because, Mr. Speaker, we want to have a united East Africa.
We need a statesman. We need a person with the gravity of Nelson Mandela, of Mwalimu Nyerere, of Kwame Nkrumah, of Gamal Abdel Nasser, of Biogama Pinto, of Amilcar Cabral, who can face the forces of neo-colonial exploitation, those who want to exploit Africa and rob its resources, to ensure that Raila Odinga can stand firm.
He is the father in Kenya and we are all united behind him. He will be a father in East Africa and I believe that he will be the father. I have no doubt in my mind that he will be the father in the entire Africa because he is a Pan-Africanist.
He's very clear on this. Recently, our president acknowledged that Raila Odinga exhibited a stellar performance record as the AU High Representative for Infrastructure Development and is well qualified for chairperson position.
He will be the bridge between the past, the present, and the future. So I urge this Honorable House to support the candidature of the Right Honorable Raila Odinga as the chairman of African Union Commission.
His support is from individual, from the partner states, and from the EAC. He is one of our own, and inshallah he will win. We support him.
We don't want to rush supporting one candidate, another candidate, but seeing our community is based on consensus, we urge our minister that they have to reach in consensus, including our head of the state, to produce one candidate.
I put to the question that this assembly do resolve to express support for the candidature of former Prime Minister of Republic of Kenya as chairperson of the African Union Commission. Those in favor say aye. Aye. Those to the contrary say nay. The ayes have it.